to get acquainted with my speed spinner. The eel, the fast eel, the electric eel. Super fast, super speedy fish spinner. I had to also spin up some other fiber than silk to get used to the speed and just to enjoy it. For that, I opened up my advent calendar, which I love and didn't get to too much this year. And first spun up 2 blues out of there, one for my elder daughter, one for my younger daughter. And then I mixed up 4 different fibers. Let me show you. Because I wanted to check out how it is to spin a big chunk of yarn on this wheel. Now that I can do it, I never could do a 200-gram chunk of yarn because my bobbins were all too small. I mixed those 4 fibers, which is a little crazy. I'm gonna make it a fractal 3-ply, and I think it will turn out sport to DK weight. This one is Mrs. Claus, Rose, Blue-Faced Leicester, Shetland and Bio Nylon. Then the pink Superwash Merino and Stellina. It's the first time I spun Superwash. It is definitely a little more dead feeling, but it was very easy to spin. Then Tomty, this one. Shetland, South American, Mulberry Silk, Viscose Merino and Tussa Silk. Very nice blend. And then cheeses for Mises, Blue-Faced Leicester, Milk Fiber and Airy Silk. That was also very nice to spin. So my fractal is a third, just one after each other. Then the second bobbin is half of each third after each other. And the third bobbin is a third of the third, a sixth rotating. I'm very curious how this turns out. It could be absolutely horrific, or it could be nice, or something in between. That's the advent calendar from World of Wool. It's very nice. They have a super nice advent calendar every year. This last year's advent calendar was themed with characters from Christmas films, and they put so much love into it. I really love it. I want another one this year. What I have been doing with this entire skein is a kind of short long draw, and I haven't even used it all the way up on speed. I went for a short while a little faster, and I felt stressed drafting. But maybe after a while you get used to it and you can go full speed. Has anybody out there been going all the way up on speed with this wheel? I'm curious. It must be super fast. Right now I'm not even in half the speed, and I feel like it's fast enough for me. All in all, I'm really happy with it. The only thing I had problems with right now is this bottom here doesn't always respond. Sometimes I press it and the wheel keeps on turning. Sometimes I press it and the wheel doesn't start turning. And then also the tension string here broke twice already, and I replaced it with a yo-yo string, and so far that has been great. I enjoyed that speed spin. I think they're not very even spun because I tested different speeds. I'm really curious how it looks plied. This is so exciting. I love to ply. I think it's my favorite part of spinning, when the colors go through your fingers. I thought this would become a catastrophe, honestly, because I never mixed up wildly different fibers like this from totally different tops. Look at this. Turned out really nice. Now this just looks like a flower garden. Look at this. It's like spring. Don't you love that moment when you take it off the niddy noddy? Look at it. Smells like sheep. Now, I don't know how to turn it. I don't know, because there's so many nice shades in it. I want to see everything. Look at it. Obviously, I have to wash it and then it will bloom, but this is a big chunk of yarn and it's very pretty. It reminds me of maybe a lavender field with white butterflies in it or something like that. Isn't it lovely? You know, some people say that commercially produced fleece is dead. Now, does this look dead to you? Seriously, does this look dead to you? I mean, I know commercially processed fleece is definitely different to spin than hand processed fleece. But the outcome, not dead to me. I have to see how this looks knitted, of course. Maybe I spin a similar skein to have enough for a sweater, or I mix it up with something I already have, or maybe even mix it up with something that is not hand spun, or maybe do a scarf, or I don't know yet. That can wait for a while since I have to work on my silk, but it has been a nice distraction from the silk for a moment. It's beautiful. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best for the rest of Tour de Fleece. Subscribe, comment, like. If you like to see what my actual project for Tour de Fleece 2025 is, please watch this video. It's updated with my changed plan. Or if you feel like you're sitting too much during Tour de Fleece, or if you drop spindling, watch this video. And I see you soon.